How to use private shade feature on a OnePlus Nord series to hide your important photos, documents and other data. Swipe down the notification panel from the top. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to security and privacy. Tap on it. Again scroll down. At the bottom you can see private shape option in special feature. Tap on a private shape. Now enter your privacy password already set. Here you can see image and video, audio, document, other files. Tap on any option. Now tap on add, move file here to protect your privacy. Now select the photo. Here we select this photo. Now tap on a set as private. At the bottom tap it. Now successfully set as a private on your phone. So you can easily hide your important images, video, audio, document and other file and access it using only private shape feature. That's it. If you like it, share it.